Hi, it's good to see you. For those of you new to the channel, my name's Jonathan. I'm a professional exterminator and the founder of Pest, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of ants in your kitchen. The first step is to identify the type of ants that you have. Ant species fall under two categories, sugar ants and protein ants. Sugar ants feed on simple carbohydrates or sugars, and protein ants feed on proteins and fats. You're going to run a little test to identify the type of ants that you have. On a small plate, you're going to put a teaspoon of honey on one end and a teaspoon of peanut butter on the other end, and observe which food the ants go for. If they go for the honey, they're sugar ants, and therefore you're going to buy a sugar-based ant bait. And if they go for the peanut butter, they're protein ants, and therefore you're going to buy a protein-based ant bait. My favorite sugar-based ant bait is the Avion Ant Gel, and my favorite protein-based ant bait is the Avion Ant Bait Arena. Once you've bought the bait, the next step is to clean the kitchen. You're gonna wash the dishes, wipe the countertops, sweep the floors, and remove food from areas where ants are active. So for example, if ants are in a cabinet, you're gonna remove food from that cabinet. The third step is to apply the bait. The bait is a food laced with poison that the ants will collect, bring back to the rest of the nest, feed the rest of the colony, and kill them at the source. For the Avion Ant Gel, you're gonna apply a small dot of bait every 3 to 6 inches along the ant's trail. So if the ant's trail goes up and to the right, you're gonna bait up and to the right. And if it goes in a zigzag pattern, you're gonna bait in a zigzag pattern. For the Avion Ant Arena, you're gonna apply one station every 1 foot along the ant's trail. Now, getting rid of ants is kind of like playing a game of whack-a-mole. The ants appear, you bait, they disappear. They appear somewhere else, you bait, they disappear, until eventually they stop reappearing altogether. If you're still having trouble with ants after trying this technique, then visit pestninja.com for my step-by-step process to eliminate ants in your home. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and if you found this video valuable, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Here at Pest Ninja, I'll be showing you how to master the art of a pest-free home.